Hello, honey baby child. Guess what? Neferpersona doing her makeup again. Girl, shut up. Alright, thank you for tuning in to today's episode on Neferpersona. I'm just going to be showing you a little bit of Glam. This is my makeup drawer. I try to keep it as neat as possible, but what I'm going to be doing today is just a random makeup look using some of my favorite palettes. This makeup is just sitting here because I haven't been wearing makeup. I've been going bareface every day because we have to wear the mask. So I'm like, why waste it? You bought it. Use the dang on stuff, girl. So like you say, I have a plethora of makeup and I want to use it. So I'm just going to do a look to make myself happy. This is the before look. See that skin? This is what 43 looks like with no makeup. And if you stay to the end, you will see what 43 looks like with a beat face. Hope you learned something. If you're trying to, just take heed, take notes. I will have a few more of these coming your way just out of pure boredom. And like I said, I need to use the makeup before I have to throw it away because it does have an expiration date after you open it, and I've opened it. So that's what I gotta do. I gotta use it. Sorry if you don't like makeup videos. I love makeup videos. This is what I watch mostly on YouTube. It's makeup. So I've learned. And I'm pale, so this is why I'm mixing colors. And I mix and mix and mix and mix until I find my perfect shade. Sorry I gotta do this, but I gotta make sure it matches. When I don't, I just keep going like this until I find it. If it's not it, oh well, I make it work. Gotta wipe that off. That's not it. So let me add a little bit of darkness. That's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna keep going until I find it. Boom. I think that's it. Let's get done. Alright. Enjoy, guys. Bye. It's just the lighting. I'm blind. I'm not this pale looking. It's so hard to do these. I don't know where to rest my elbow. So I'll have to do this eye off camera. What I'm saying right here is that eyeliner, y'all, is the bomb.com. I paid $1 for it and I got it from the Halloween section back on like October 1st or something like that. I never really used it. So I was like, let me go ahead and use it. And I'm glad I did. It's matte. It doesn't rub off and it glides on like butter. Why does things that cost $1 or less always works better than things that cost $5 or above? Answer that question if you have the answer to it. Let me know what you think about that. Let's continue. We made it till the end. This is 43 with makeup and all glammed up. Where am I going? No damn where. But I love it. Just to sit around the house. I think I actually did run some errands this day. I think I went to the grocery store. That's what I did. Probably. Who knows? But I love the contour of my face. It just makes you look like a completely different person. That's what I practice on doing. And I'm doing it up close and personal just to let you see how makeup looks up close after you've had it on for a while. But this is going to wrap it up. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.